But let's talk about the real hero of today, the OnePlus Nord 2 5G.
3 new colorways, so you have more choices for how your device looks and feels in your hand. Number 1, we've got Gray Sierra. Its gray matte finish kind of mirrors the shiny metallic frame of a luxury sports car. Number 2, we've got Blue Haze. You remember Nord 1's Blue Marble? Blue Haze is like Blue Marble's cousin, except a slightly cooler, slightly sexier, and slightly more porcelain-like cousin. Finally, we've got our India-exclusive Green Woods. At first, we thought we should wrap this colorway in flannel to match its rugged exterior, but we decided you might like the smooth, natural, and semi-grainy feel of the green PU leather a whole lot more. And now that we've seen these 3 colorways mix seamlessly with the smooth contour and rounded edges of OnePlus Nord 2's frame, we can safely say that after 40,000 years of evolution, we have finally tapped the vastness of human potential. We added a slight curve to the dual-layer 3D AG glass on the back of Gray Sierra and Blue Haze, and that makes the phone feel thinner, smoother, and more ergonomic in your hand.
Is the 50-megapixel AI triple camera with optical image stabilization. The sensor? A Sony IMX766, which you may remember from our flagship OnePlus 9 series. We've also added a tag team of AI-optimized photo and video features. There's AI video enhancement, which adjusts the color, contrast, and brightness of your videos as you're shooting. There's also AI photo enhancement, which is capable of recognizing up to 22 different photography scenarios and optimizes your subject's color, contrast, and definition. And for any budding influencers out there, we've added dual view video. Like its name suggests, it allows you to film using the front and rear cameras simultaneously. I gotta tell you about the OnePlus Nord 2's front-facing camera. It's got a Sony IMX615 sensor with 32 megapixels. It allows you and up to 4 friends to capture yourself from all the best angles. We gave the OnePlus Nord 2 a whopping 4,500 milliamp-hour dual-cell battery. OnePlus Nord 2 comes with Warp Charge 65, which is twice as fast as a Warp Charge 30T on the original Nord. How fast is that? Well, you can get up to a full day's power in just 15 minutes.
With the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI flagship processor. The MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI also comes with an ultra-fast GPU supported by up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage for ultra-fast speeds and smoothness. The chipset also works in tandem with Nord 2's 90Hz Fluid AMOLED display to provide a fast, high refresh rate gaming experience. Now, that's true power. But a top-notch processor doesn't help if the operating system it runs on is slower than a herd of turtles stampeding through peanut butter. That's why OnePlus Nord 2 comes with OxygenOS 11.3, our refreshed and refined version of our famous OxygenOS. It's a fast, smooth, and easy-to-use platform that's full of great features like dark mode and the new OnePlus Games app.
The OnePlus Nord 2 has dual 5G SIM card slots, so you can chat, game, 5G SIM card slots, so you can chat, game. We've added Wi-Fi 6 technology, which supports download speeds up to 1.2 gigabits per second. We've upgraded our haptics to haptics 2.0 for a smoother, more sensitive, and tactile experience, whether you're typing or playing your favorite mobile game.